Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to update foobar2000 on your Windows PC or laptop. Keeping foobar2000 up to date ensures you get the latest features, bug fixes, security improvements, and better compatibility. Let's get started. First, open foobar2000 on your computer. To check your current version, click Help ** at the top of the window, and then select ** about foobar2000 **. A small window will display the version you're currently using. Next, open your web browser and visit the official foobar2000 website. On the home page, check if a newer version is available than the one installed on your computer. If a newer version is available, click the ** download ** button to download the latest Windows installer. Once the download is complete, close foobar2000 if it's still running. Now double-click the installer file you downloaded. If Windows asks for permission through user account control, click ** yes * to continue. Follow the setup wizard by clicking Next **, accept the license agreement, and continue with the installation. The installer will automatically detect your existing foobar2000 installation and update it without removing your music library or most of your settings. When the installation is complete, click * finish and launch foobar2000 again. To confirm the update, go back to Help ** and about foobar2000 **. You should now see the latest version number. And that's how you update foobar2000 on your Windows PC or laptop. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.